My name is Catherine Conahan. I work with Castlecool in County Monaghan. Castlecool is a temperature-controlled logistics service provider for the food industry. I've been working here for 2 years now. I started after completing an electronic engineering degree in NUI in Galway. In my final 2 years, I became more interested in power electronics, and with my final year project then in renewable energy, that's when I decided that was an area that I want to focus on in the future. I started here with a Fusion InterTradeIreland project in energy management with the main aim of installing a wind turbine on our Lagaigish site in County Monaghan. I've been working with the company now over 2 years. I became interested in the role that was advertised on the InterTradeIreland website because it was exactly the type of role I was looking for. It had to do with energy management and renewable energy, which suited what I had done in my final year project. As well as that, it was a project management role which normally isn't offered at a graduate level, and it seemed like a good starting point for any career. It also offered a link with academia, which was important to me, and I'd always intended on following on after my undergraduate degree. I was teamed with Queen's University with someone who was an expert in renewable energy there. Also, the postgrad in business management with Smurfit Business School, which is fully funded as part of the programme, was of great interest. It offered me an opportunity to get insight into business management, which I wouldn't have got with my engineering background and probably wouldn't have got with an engineering role so early on in my career. As part of the project, I was linked with Kewan Boak in Queen's University, who is an expert in renewable energy, specifically wind turbines and wind turbine modelling. Between Kewan in Queen's, our facilitator in InterTradeIreland and Castlecool, a project plan had been developed for when I started with the company. From the first day, I was given a framework to follow, and it was clearly defined tasks that had to be achieved within certain time limits. This allowed me to focus on the project straight away. We had weekly review meetings, monthly review meetings, and then every 3 months the whole group would get around and discuss the project in detail to ensure that it progressed as we had set out in the project plan. Overall, it had me focused straight away. I knew what my tasks were, I knew what I had to do to get there, and if any problems were arisen, it was picked up quite quickly because of the framework that was in place. The Fusion project gave me an excellent starting point in my career. I have a postgrad in business management with Michael Smurfit Business School. I'm due to finish my research masters with Queen's in May next year based on the project that I undertook within the company. More significantly than that, I now have a permanent role within Castlecool as Energy and Development Manager, undertaking different energy initiatives, IT and operations projects. I don't think this would have been possible so soon after graduating, another role without the Fusion project.